Welcome, friends! Wanna hunt for the best deals together? Subscribe to join me and check links below. It might surprise you that the cheapest cartridge can outlast the expensive OEM. Field data shows the black unit delivers 712 pages, while the color duo pushes 430 pages at 5% coverage, which many thought only the original could achieve. One tester swapped the pack into a tired NV4500 and watched the intelligent chip report ink levels instantly, eliminating the dreaded low ink surprise that usually halts a project. Another story describes printing a 40-page sales brochure with vivid graphics, no banding, no ghosting, and the colors stayed true from the first page to the last. Across dozens of models from desk jet to office jet, the remanufactured chips sync flawlessly, proving reliability isn't exclusive to brand new parts. Verdict: ideal for home office creators who need marathon print runs without constant cartridge changes.